Hey everyone, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I have already painted this board white with some chalk paint, and now I'm going to take some Mod Podge and just brush on a coat of Mod Podge right over the paint. The chalk paint is already dry at this point. If you caught my last video where I did the live and made all the blocks and I used the green drawer paper, that's what I'm using again. And this is like a close-up so you can see how pretty this paper is. So I'm just putting that over the wet Mod Podge. The paper's a little thicker than a napkin, so I didn't worry about drying the Mod Podge first. So I'm going to put the parchment paper right over and just iron on top of the parchment paper. The next thing that I'm doing is taking my little sander, just going around the edges, and I can sand that paper right off. And then I just pull the rest of the paper loose from the board. Next, I just take the sander and clean up the edges. Now I'm going to place my stencil and I'm going to stencil on the words with some black paint. Once that's completed, I'm going to remove the stencil and then I'm going to use a fine tip paintbrush and I'm going to cross all the bridges. There isn't very many bridges on this one. Lastly, I'm going to take some jute twine and I'm going to wrap it around the sign and make a cute little bow. And that's it. I hope you like it and I hope you'll spread it out there for me. Thank you for watching.